Got a hot plate here of Chimichurri Steak Bites that we made on the Ultimate Griddle.
You want to see how we knock this one out? Stick around while we dig
in. Well, here they are. These are our Chimichurri Steak Bites. And Brett, we went with a cheap cut of steak on purpose. We wanted to see how this one would turn out.
Yep.
This was a chuck steak.
Chuck cut. Yep, chuck steak. I keep wanting to say chuck roast, but yes, it was a chuck steak cut.
It was. I'm going to set that down. That is a hot plate, Brett.
Very hot, yes.
While I do, let's talk about your marinade that you made. What goes into this one?
Yeah, so this is a chimichurri. This is actually a cilantro chimichurri, as opposed to like the classic that uses parsley. I use cilantro. So I start with a little bit of olive oil and then use at least 2 to 3 times red wine vinegar. Then I add a little bit of our usual suspect seasonings.
Which is your typical garlic.
Salt, pepper, garlic powder. Basically
onion
all
powder.
seasonal type thing.
Yeah.
And then a little red pepper flake, which I was not the biggest fan of, but
Yeah.
it's okay. And then I add about a quarter to a half cup of very finely chopped cilantro.
That's right. We mix that all up and give it a taste. This thing's spectacular.
I want to
It's so
drink
good.
it. It's so
good. But we pour it all over the steak. Get it in a Ziploc bag. Oh, the steak, by the way, we did chop up into little bite-sized pieces because these are steak bites.
Yep, exactly right. And a little pro tip, if you're using a Ziploc bag, if you roll down the Ziploc to the side like thusly, then it helps stay open as you're pouring or putting things into the bag.
Makes it really nice. So we let that marinate for about 4 hours. That sat in the fridge, and this is one that it'll break down more over time. So even overnight would have been a little bit better to make these super tender. However, I'm not expecting too much of an issue as we get through this. But then the best part and the shortest part
Is the cook.
the cook itself. You just throw it on the hot griddle and listen to it sizzle.
Oh, good.
Put that down.
Oh, man, that smells divine. Spread that all out. And this is going to be what we like to call a very fast steak cook. A very fast cook.
While it is seasoned, we definitely want to add a little salt and pepper as well. We always do to our steak. There we go. So this is all we're doing is get these cooked until, well, we're going to cook it until they're cooked.
Yep.
Until they're done. So just give these a flip. And we'll just do this a few times, kind of mix them around, toss them, make sure they get coated in that sauce that they've been marinating in. And by the way, we have some extra sauce as well. Oh my gosh. Like we say, Brad, looks good enough to eat. Yes, it does. Dig in. And that brings us to this moment
point
here
right now
that we've got. I don't know how much it's cooled down, but I don't care. I would like to dig in.
Me too.
So go ahead and grab one. We didn't bring utensils, but we're going to go ahead and grab
yes.
these. So, but Brett, like we say, can look amazing.
These look absolutely amazing.
Like we say, they can smell
This
amazing.
whole neighborhood smells. Can I
It
get a
absolutely
smell
does.
yet?
Smell, yeah, you can. But if it doesn't taste amazing, this is all for naught. Cheers. I'll eat to that, my brother. I picked the winner there.
Oh, that is so good.
A little bit more time marinating would have been perfection, but man, this is so good.
So good.
And I wanted Brett to add more salt and pepper. I'm glad he didn't. It's seasoned to perfection the way it is. But you got to try this one. Make steak bites on your Ultimate Griddle.
You know what I did not add to this that I always add to my chimichurri?
What's that?
Garlic paste.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you're right. I was missing the garlic paste.
Yeah.
I'll say that. I love that we get to come and do things like this.
Yes.
Just cook together. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this, if it gave you an idea of something else that you can cook on your Ultimate Griddle, make sure and give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any content like this here on the Ultimate Griddle Show, as well as from other creators here on the Pit Boss Grills channel.
Yeah, so make sure you give these chimichurri steak bites a try, and we'll see you next time on
The Ultimate Griddle Show.